Arrive in style with this 2007 Chevrolet Silverado 1500 Classic work truck. This may be the set of wheels you've been looking for. This vehicle comes with a reliable 8-cylinder engine, connected to a smooth shifting automatic transmission. Enjoy these notable features: ABS brakes, voltmeter, 3.42 rear axle ratio, fully automatic headlights, front anti-roll bar, electronic cruise control with set and resume speed, occupant sensing airbag, and tachometer. A test drive is waiting for you. Call now to schedule an appointment to our dealership.